Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy metamoon. So this will be a very simple tutorial about how to do this. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do, you want to find metamoon on CoinMarketCap. So just search for it. You can do that right here as well. And as you can see here, we can see some information about metamoon. So you want to go ahead and hit contract and copy the contract, and we can see here straight away it's running on the Binance Smart Chain. So if you don't know what it means, don't worry, I'll explain everything. So what you want to do, you want to copy it as you just did, and then go to a website called MetaMask. And for this you actually need to use Google Chrome because it's a digital wallet in a Chrome extension. Just hit install MetaMask for Chrome. I've already done that, and once you've done it, go to the top right to extensions and open MetaMask and create your account. So I already created my account. It's super easy. Go to the top here to networks, and you want to be using the Binance Smart Chain, but by default it's not here. You have to add it yourself through the custom RPC. Go to custom RPC, this will be the name and this will be the link, and I'll put every information that's on here in the description down below. So this one is Binance Smart Chain, then this link 56 BNB, and then this links. It's all in the description down below. Then hit save. And once you've done that, you can go back and then make sure you use the Binance Smart Chain. It looks like this, BNB. And in order to buy the metamoon, we first have to add some BNB and then transfer the BNB into metamoon. Okay? So what we want to do, you want to go to Binance. Binance is definitely the best exchange for this. If you don't have a Binance account yet, go ahead and create it through the link in the description down below and get a $20% lower fees. So go to fiat and spot under wallet and then go ahead and find BNB. So here it is, BNB, and go to withdraw, and then withdraw or send it actually to MetaMask. So open MetaMask again, copy your account. So this is it, the address, paste it in here, and as you can see, it automatically goes to the Binance Smart Chain, which is great. And then enter in the amount. So let's say 2 as an example. So of course I can't do it because I don't have enough balance, but just as an example. And if you hit send, it will be sent immediately, like within seconds, into your MetaMask, and it will come up here. So once it comes up here, we are going to change it into the metamoon coins. So in order to do that, we want to use PancakeSwap. So the website is pancakeswap.finance, and here we can change some BNB to the metamoon coin. Go to trade at the left and hit exchange, and now this comes up, and now we have to connect our MetaMask wallet. So go to the top, hit connect MetaMask, and boom, it is connected. Now the amount of BNB that is in your MetaMask comes up here, and we can select the currency, which is metamoon, but if you type it, as you can see, it doesn't come up. So what you want to do, go to CoinMarketCap, copy the address again, go to PancakeSwap, paste it in, and then you have to wait for a couple of moments. So this doesn't work always. Oh, there it is. Metamoon, find by address, and boom, we can buy some metamoon. So this is the amount you can buy with 100 BNB. So let's say 1, and then you can buy it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.